Good morning, students. Now I will say some questions of exercise 6.3. Your homework was from question 17 to 30. So let's see some question of previous homework. See question number 18. X square y minus 1 into 3 minus 2 x square y minus 1 into 3 minus 2 x square y. On multiplication it is x square y into 3 minus 2 x square y minus 1 into 3 minus 2 x square y is equal to 3 x square y minus 2 x to the power 4 y square minus 3 minus plus 2 x square y. Then 3 x square y plus 2 x square y minus 2 x to the power 4 y square plus minus 3 is equal to 5 x square y minus 2 x to the power 4 y square minus 3. This is the product of this question, and we have to verify for the result x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. Verification for x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. For x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. X square y minus 1 into 3 minus 2 x square y. Put value of x equal to minus 1 square into minus 2 x square y minus 1 square into minus 2 minus 1 3 minus 2 into minus 1 square into minus 2 minus 1 square is equal to 1 into minus 2 equal to minus 2 minus 1 it is, and this is equal to 3 minus 2 into 1 into minus 2 minus 3 into 3 minus 4 minus 4 plus 2 minus 3 into 7 is equal to minus 21. After putting value x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2 in question, the value will be minus 21. And when we put same value in product, then 5x square y minus 2x to the power 4 y square minus 3. This is equal to 5 into minus 1 square into minus 2 into minus 1 to the power 4 into minus 2 का square minus 3. Clear? Minus 1 square equal to 1. 5 into minus 2 minus 10. This is equal to minus 10, and this minus 1 to the power 4 1 2 4 1 is 4 4 to the 8 minus 8 minus 8, and this is equal to minus 3, and this all equal to minus 21. So here minus 21 and here minus 21 both are same, so it is verified for x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2. So this is the solution of question number 18. Here is the solution of question number 18, and here is the verification of question number 18. Now see question number 20. See question number 20. X square into x plus 2y. X square into x plus 2y into x minus 3y. First of all, we will multiply into this is x cube into 2x square y. X cube into 2x square y into x minus 3y is equal to x into x cube plus 2x square y minus 3y into x cube plus 2x square y x to the power 4 plus 2x cube y clear minus 3 x cube y minus 3 to the 6 x square y square. This is equal to x to the power 4 2x cube y minus 3x cube y is equal to minus x cube y minus 6x square y square. X to the power 4 minus x cube y minus 6x square y square. This is the solution of question number 20. Now see question number 23. X square into x minus y, x square into x minus y, y square into x plus 2y, x square into x minus y, y square into x plus 2y. Here x square is monomial, x minus y binomial, y square monomial, and x plus 2y binomial. So multiply this first. X square into x is equal to x cube minus x square y, x square into x cube minus x square y, and this xy square plus 2 into y cube. Clear? Now x cube into xy square plus 2y cube minus x square y into xy square plus 2y cube. Clear? This is equal to x to the power 4 y square plus 2x cube y cube minus x cube y cube minus 2x square y to the power 4. This is equal to x to the power 4 y square plus x cube y cube minus 2x to the power 2 y to the power 4. Clear? So this is the product of question number 23. Now see question number 24. Number x cube is 2x minus 3. This is binomial, and into x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 7. This is the product of a binomial and a polynomial. There are 4 terms. and there are two terms, 2x minus 3 into x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 7. So let's multiply 2x by x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 7 into minus 3 into x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 7 2x into x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 7 minus 3 into x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 7. This is equal to 2 into x to the power 4 minus 2 to the 4 x to the power 3 plus 5 to the 10 x square minus 7 to the 14x minus 3x cube minus plus 2 to the 6x square minus 3x cube plus 6x square minus 5 to the 15x and minus plus 7 to the 21. 2x to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x cube plus 8x square plus 6x square minus 14x minus 15x plus 21 is equal to 2x to the power 4 minus 7x cube plus 16x square minus 29x plus 21 is the product of this question. So this is product of binomial with polynomial, and the product will be 2x to the power 4 minus 7x cube plus 6x square minus 29x plus 21. Now see question number 27. What is question number 27? This is product of two trinomials. 2x square plus 3x minus 5, 2x square plus 3x minus 5 into 3x square minus 5x plus 4. 2x square plus 3x minus 5 into 3x square minus 5x plus 4. This is a trinomial and this is also a trinomial. So it is product of two trinomials. 2x square plus multiplied with 2x square 3x square minus 5x plus 4 plus 3x into 3x square minus 5x plus 4 minus 5 into 3x square minus 5x plus 4. X square into 3x square minus 5x plus 4, again plus 3x into 3x square minus 5x plus 4 and minus 5 into 3x square minus 5x plus 4. This is equal to 3 to the 6x to the power 4 minus 5 to the 10 x to the power 3 plus 4 to the 8 x square plus 3 to the 9 x to the power 3 minus 5 to the 15 x square plus 4 to the 12 x minus 5 to the 15 x square minus plus 5 to the 25 x and minus 5 to the 20. 6x to the power 4 minus 10x cube plus 8x square 9x cube minus 15x square plus equal to 6x to the power 4 minus 10x cube plus 9x cube. After adding, we have minus 10x cube plus 9x cube, and then 8x square then 8x square minus 15x square minus 15x square, and then term of x 12x plus 25x minus 20 is equal to 6x to the power 4 minus 10 plus 9 equal to minus 1 minus x cube minus 22x square plus 27x minus 20. Clear? Plus 12 is equal to 37. 37x minus 26x to the power 4 minus x cube minus 22x square plus 27x minus 20 is the product. Clear? Now we will see question number 28. Now see question number 28. 3x minus 2. Question number 28. 3x minus 2 into 2x minus 3 plus 5x minus 3 into x plus 1. 3x minus 2 into 2x minus 3 plus 5x minus 3 into x plus 1. This is the sum of product of two binomials. There is product of two binomials, there is product of two binomials, and you have to find their sum. Then 3x into 2x minus 3 minus 2 into 2x minus 3. 3x into 2x minus 3 minus 2 into 2x minus 3 plus 5x into x plus 1 minus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the 6 x square minus 3 to the 9x to the 4x minus 4x plus 6 plus 5x square plus 5x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 3 2 under 3 minus 3 is equal to 6x square plus 5x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 5x minus 3x minus 9x plus minus 4x plus 5x minus 3x plus 6 minus 3 1 and this is equal to 6x square plus 5 is equal to 11x square, and this 9 4 13 plus 5 minus 8 9 4 13 13 and 3 16